What's up, you guys? Frankie here, and today we are talking Costco hacks. Welcome to the channel. This is the money resolution where we resolve to get good with money, save money, make money, get out of debt, and of course, how to spend money smart because spending money can be fun too. So a couple of months ago, I put out a video comparing the Gold Star membership and the executive membership. So if you haven't checked out that video, you can click here or here and check that out now, or wait till the end of this video. A couple of weeks ago, we were heading to Costco, and so I decided to do some quick research to see if there were any cool hacks or tricks out there so that we could shop smarter while we were at the store. I went pretty deep into some rabbit holes, watching tons of YouTube videos and reading all kinds of websites. And then it dawned on me that this is some really cool stuff. I should compile it into the ultimate Costco hack video, and so that's what we're talking about today, is how to shop smartly and hack Costco. And I can confirm the samples are still delicious. And that actually reminds me, a first little hack here is that you shouldn't be scared to ask for a second sample. They are encouraged to hand those things out, and they don't care, I promise. They're not judging you. They might be judging you. This video isn't about the products I recommend you buy. It's pretty much common knowledge, the types of things that you should stock up on at Costco. These hacks are more things that people don't know about, how to save money on your membership itself, how to read and understand the price tags, what does the asterisks mean, what do the different decimal points mean, double up your savings via coupons. So this is a long list of hacks, and so I am just gonna jump right into it. Let's talk pricing. No, most prices are gonna end in 0.99, but if you see other 9 endings, let's say like 59, 69, 79, etc., that means that that product's on sale, usually that they got a manufacturing discount. Now, if you see 0.97, that means the product isn't selling well, and that's a manager discount to try to help move the item. And if you see 0.88 or 0.00, that's essentially a clearance item that they're trying to move off the floor quickly, so you might want to take advantage, maybe even stock up. Let's stay in the world of price tags. Asterisks in the corner of a shopping tag means that that product is discontinued, so they're no longer going to restock it. This is when you might want to stock up if it's something you love that's going away for good. So Costco sells in bulk. And when you're shopping in bulk, it can definitely be a little bit confusing to figure out what that item is actually going to cost you. Like, what's the better deal if you're comparing a couple of different things that each have 48 or 72 count. If you look closely on the shopping tags, you'll actually see the price per unit called out, and this is a really quick, easy way to see if you're buying the best deal. Did you know you don't need to bring coupons into the store? So I get the monthly mailer, but I don't actually bring those little coupons into the store with me. It's unnecessary. All the discounts that you see are gonna be taken off right away at the register. Speaking of discounts, you can actually double dip your savings. You can do so by using that Costco savings that I just mentioned and stacking that with a savings app, something like Ibotta or the Snap app. One thing you may not know is that online, Costco.com, you might find better deals. So it's rare to find these, but if there's a big ticket item you're looking for, it's always good to check the online store before you make the trip into the store. This might save you the whole trip. So on the same notion of an awesome return policy, you can actually price adjust after the fact. So if you see that something you bought in the last, I think it's 30 days, is now on sale, you can go in and ask customer service to give you that money back. I did this on a Chromebook. That Chromebook went on sale $50. And even though I was outside of that 30-day window, I was within the 90-day window to return electronics. So I let them know then I'm just gonna go over there and return it and then go over there and buy it. And they said, you know what, come with me, we'll take care of this, and they did. Frugal or cheap? I don't know. There are actually a whole bunch of Instagram accounts that are focused solely on people obsessed with finding great deals at Costco. So I think Costco Buys is one. Anyway, if you did a quick search on Instagram or probably Facebook, you're gonna find some awesome social media accounts that can help you track down some of your favorite products at really good prices. You can have 2 memberships per household. So if you are considering getting a membership, you can split it with a significant other or maybe one of your children, as long as they live within the same house. I'm really bad at winking. I'm sure you can get creative if you really think about it. Speaking of memberships, keep an eye out on the coupon sites like Groupon and Living Social. If you're thinking about joining, occasionally they'll run an offer on those sites. Here's another tip if you're thinking about getting a membership. Don't forget, if you're a student or current military or veteran, you can actually sometimes take advantage of discounts. Now, sometimes these discounts come in the form of rebates and special savings elsewhere, but it's always worth looking up or asking if they have any current deals for students and military. Sign up for email promotions at Costco.com and keep an eye out for some special deals. So one example I recently got was that I can get a $20 cash card if I set my membership to auto renew. So I'm not gonna do that, but it was a little bit tempting, I have to admit. And the reason, by the way, I don't do auto renewal with Costco, and I recommend you consider not doing that, is because when my membership expires, typically I'll wait a couple of months and renew next time I go versus paying for those couple of months where I'm not using it anyway. That's just a little bonus tip there. This one is a game changer. A lot of people know that Costco has a very generous return policy, but did you know you can actually return your membership? Yeah, you heard that right. If for any reason you're unsatisfied with your membership, you can just tell them you'd like your money back and walk away peacefully or angrily, depends on what happened. I think I mentioned this one at the end of my last video, but you can actually shop Costco without a Costco card if you have a Costco cash card. To get a Costco cash card, you're gonna need to know someone that has a Costco membership. If you know someone that's going, you can ask them to pick you up one, and then you can get in the door and shop around. So if you're thinking about getting yourself a membership and you've maybe never been to Costco or it's been a long time, this is a great way to poke around the store and see if a membership would make sense for you. Here's another way to shop Costco without having a membership. You actually don't need a membership for certain purchases. One example is gonna be alcohol in some states. I think there's like a dozen states or so, I'll put them on the screen, where you don't need a membership to shop alcohol. Prescription meds is another one. You can actually take advantage of services there without a membership as well. So you can walk in straight to the eye exam and take care of that. Healthcare screenings like lung health and diabetes testing, for example. You could technically shop Costco through one of those online shopping apps like Instacart. Actually, that might be the only one. So use Instacart if you want to get Costco delivered. Of course, there's extra fees and whatnot when you're getting into that. And when you think about it, if you just did that a couple times, maybe you could have used that extra fee money to just get a membership. Now, if you're not a member of Costco, you still might be able to get Costco prices at other stores. So stores like Target and Kohl's are known for price matching, and so as long as you know what the price is at Costco and you can show customer service, you might be able to get that exact same product at the exact same price, even without this warehouse membership. Now, in terms of when to shop, the best time, according to really sophisticated research I did on the internet, is between 3 and 5 p.m. Monday through Thursday. You probably know this, but this is a great reminder to bring your own grocery bags. Costco doesn't have grocery bags. Instead, they're gonna give you those big, large, awkward to handle cardboard container things. If you're like me, sometimes those are just a struggle to get in and out of your car and to take in and out of your house. So make taking your products home easier with grocery bags. This one's new, but actually if you use the app, you can access your membership card. I literally installed the app just for this feature because there have been times I've showed up at the door without my card. I had to go to customer service to get a temporary one. It's a whole ordeal. And very far away, I will show you because this is the most ridiculous picture, and they can just scan this at checkout. Seriously, what is up with that? It looks so angry. It's off-centered. If you're having trouble getting help on the floor, look for somebody in a red vest. These are the people that can help you. So recently, the thing I wanted was, it looked like it was out of stock. I think there were pillows, but I looked up and I saw that they had a whole nother flat of pillows, obviously out of reach. So I walked around forever looking for someone to help me, and it wasn't until I got to the very front that I found someone in a red vest that could get on the radio and send someone back there to help me out. So again, don't give up. If the thing you want looks out of stock, peek around and then look for somebody in a red vest. Kirkland Signature is their store brand, and a lot of people know that, but did you know that their store brand is typically gonna be on par or possibly even better than their brand counterparts? So definitely a good idea to shop the Kirkland Signature. An example I heard today was that the vodka is actually made in the same facility where they make Grey Goose, using a lot of the same exact ingredients. It's rated super, super high. If you're going on a trip here soon and you're thinking about renting a car, Costco is actually an awesome resource for getting good deals on car rentals. I would say use Avis with caution. If you've seen my I called Avis video to dispute my bill, you'll know why I'm a little bit frustrated with them right now. This one's strange because I admit I've never done this, but people raved about this online, which is to order extra Caesar sauce with your chicken bake for dipping. I don't know, give it a shot. It's free, I think. Have you ever been in Costco and you heard a loud bell? Definitely have heard this and I never knew what it was or thought to ask. It's actually a fresh batch of rotisserie chickens coming right out to the sales floor. And at $5, this is a super delicious purchase. This one is kind of odd, but if you've ever seen those big, I guess, roadshow style presentations and you love those things, you can actually look up when and where those are happening at Costco.com. Yes, calendar of events by state and city. And there's a link to that in the description below. Now, a lot of people know that Costco has great deals when it comes to electronics, and I personally definitely get all my big ticket electronic purchases there. But there's some other perks about getting electronics there that a lot of people don't realize. So the first one is that they will extend your warranty 1 year. So in most cases, the manufacturing warranty is gonna be 1 year on electronics, and with Costco, you get that extra year, and so now you essentially have a 2-year warranty. The other cool perk is if you buy electronics at Costco, it actually comes with free technical support. Speaking of electronics, printers are a thing you may have in your home office, and if you do, you know that ink can be really expensive. So Costco will actually refill your ink cartridges, so don't forget to bring in your empty cartridge. I think it's something like $7.50 to refill. I know I personally have paid $20, $30 outside of Costco in the past. Don't overlook savings that you get from gift cards. I usually walk right by them because they're super tempting and I probably don't need $100 to the spaghetti factory. But actually the way that they work in most cases is the gift cards come in packs, and so you could actually divide them up. So if a $100 restaurant gift card came with 4 $25 gift cards, this is the perfect thing to pick up to gift to friends and family throughout the year, especially when you forgot to pick up a gift. This is awesome to have last second. This last one is probably the only obvious one on the list, but it is super, super important and could save you a lot of money, and that is to create your own list, your shopping list of things that you are gonna get on your trip. And seriously, like, I even think about the path to how I'm going to get to that thing so that I'm not distracted or tempted by everything else. The place I especially avoid is the center of the store. That's where they have some really, really awesome deals that they're hoping are just gonna be splurge purchases for you. So avoid the books and the games and all the clothes that you see in the middle if you don't wanna be roped into some splurge purchasing. Wow, that was a very, very long list. I hope you got something out of this and this can save you money next time you're shopping at Costco. If there's an awesome tip I missed that you have, be sure to leave it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you had a favorite of the tips on my list, I'd love to know what it is in the description below as well. So thanks for checking out this video. Be sure to like, subscribe to The Money Resolution if you have not. I post videos once a week-ish. Again, a video I recommend after this one is the one where I compare the regular membership to the executive membership. Link in the description below for that one. So good luck out there shopping, make good decisions, and as always, I will talk to you soon. Thanks. Meat prices are a good deal. I don't know, I wrote it in my notes. It's probably true. And if it's starting to look like I'm obsessed with Costco, that's because I borderline might be. Seriously, you can return your membership, Christmas stuff out, and it wasn't even October. I think we've gone too far. 2 liters of olive oil. I thought surrounding myself with the Costco products would inspire me. It's really not working.